Hello YouTube, this video got some Master Lock 570's that I found just digging through some of my old locks that are kind of fun to pick here. So I got 3 of them to pick, and I'm going to do it here with my multi-pick lock pick set here. It's the Multipick Elite Medium 27-piece Christina Palmer pick set. And try to say that 3 times fast. Multipick was kind enough to send this to me to try out. And they also have a promo code that's good for 10% off anything on their website through the end of 2023. And I'll put that on the screen, and it'll be in the description if you want to check out Multipick. I do actually like them. This would be my 5th or 6th video, but I've been kind of messing with them off and on here for about a month. So this video, or this locks here, I'm going to pick with a hook, and we're going to use some bottom of the keyway tension. Show you guys this picks here. Really like them, and I like the case too. It's very nice. Actually, my favorite case. I might see if I can actually buy just a case to put my other picks in that I use for work here, the ones that I kind of beat up in the field. So we're going to use the bottom of the keyway tension here, see if we can get all 3 of these guys open here in a reasonable amount of time. If you follow my channel for a while, I used to pick locks a lot for fun, and then I've been locksmithing now for 9 years, and locksport got me into lock picking, but it definitely has become a job here, so I don't pick for fun like I once did. But kind of, these new picks here is kind of a reason though to get back into picking just for the heck of it. Always did like these 570's, so got that one open. These do have at least 1 spool pin in them, but yeah, not too bad. I like bottom of the keyway tension on this keyway because it got something for the pick to kind of rest on. Makes it a little bit easier to pick. And these are 5-pin locks, if anybody's wondering. Yeah, that one opens. Might be a quicker video than I thought here. And see if we can get this last one open. Alright, got a false set here finally. There is spool pins in these. There's at least 1 spool pin anyway. So I'm going to go through here and look for something that's going to give us some counter rotation. So I'm going to go all the way to the back, work my way forward here. Alright, number 1 got some counter rotation, and I did set it, but I heard something drop here, so we'll go back to number 5 here and work our way forward again. Man, oh man, I'm so out of practice. I feel like this would have taken me a few seconds here. A couple of years ago, I used to pick locks a lot. Now with work, with leashy tools and whatever, I hardly ever actually pick this way. You should just either rake or use leashies. Alright, so we're going to false set again here. So, see if I can find the other sport. I think that's number 3. Actually, it might be number 2. I got it. Yeah, I think it was pin number 2 here. So we're in our false set, got some counter rotation, and we got that one open as well. So there's 3 Master Lock 570's, kind of single pin picking with our Multipick Elite 27-piece pick set. And like I said, the promo code's in the description. You guys want to check out Multipick until the end of 2023. It's a good time to do it. I don't get anything from using the promo code, but you get 10% off. So win for everybody. And until next time, we'll talk to everybody later.